return after these.
Continuing.
Hey, YouTube and Pinoy Hour universe and our Pinoy Hour audience. Welcome once again to our never-ending unboxing, which we have on the back of the drop here. Is the given directly, no unbox, but we're gonna share them later on. And as usual, as we do on our show, we will talk about the unboxing and basically talk about on the backdrop or background. And you can see like there's some DC or superhero or comic book heroes there, some racing stuff there as well, and the guy, you know. But anyway, that's a resident background who's always on our show to all of our viewers. But let's get the show on the road. One box. This comes from GameStop. So again, we thank GameStop for our opportunity to unbox their stuff. But with that said, Mcfarlane there. So anyway, I'll discuss him later. He's a very interesting topic. Our resident scissor is here. Just be careful, of course. And let's get the show on the road. Unboxing as usual. Let's do this. Open. Here on the right side, be careful, kids. Have an adult supervision when you do an unboxing or any show, of course. And yeah, any sharp object away from you. This is packed, so I hope nothing is bended inside. So one area has been cut, side cut. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. It's a box back, so it goes on the side. Some sticker stuff goes on the back too, or side. Okay, let's pull this one out, shall we? Okay, let's go ahead. Pull him sideways. We just want to be careful. Well, look at that! Here I am! I am a piece here! That's Venom for you. But anyway, here's a good guy here. Bale. Very interesting, alright, but you can see the name is there now. The Dark Knight Trilogy. This is the crap. See the cards at the back there, of course. Oh, there's a new logo. Okay. Let's see. Side shot. There we go. No. This is Bale. As you can see, this is the Bale one. We call it the Bat Bale. Alright. He's the American Psycho himself. If you look at his character in being Bruce Wayne and then watch the American Psycho, that's pretty much the same. Like hip to be square. Anyway, That's Bane's feet there. You can see the Nolan's bat. That's pretty much Bale. Good. Where is she? And that. Side shot, of course. That's one of the legendary. This is the Dark Knight Trilogy. That's the logo. So basically my favorite is the part 2. So again, that's the side shot. That's the bottom shot. That's the top view. So this is amazing. Look at him. You can made out of the mouth from the scowl. That's Bale's mouth. That's what I love about this Mcfarlane series. But we see a healthy box there, so no complaints. We got number 2. Number 8. Ooh, no, number 2. Number 2. Oh yeah! You know why I get these scars? Oh no, box on the side. Got a freaking Bale there's like decapitated. But anyway, Bale's hands are there. So look at that money shot. This is amazing. Again, like I'm an agent of chaos. How about that? See? And they got a this is amazing. It's a tribute for that guy. Yeah, he looks exactly like him. So if you take the prize, yeah, Ledger. So got some help on the side there. But anyway, again, yeah, this is Ledger's legacy. So I gotta love him, man. I love him in this movie. That's why I think everyone can agree with me that the Dark Knight, or the number 2 Nolan Part 2, is the best one of the series, bar none. Again, yeah, don't want to get the scar out. Anyway, yeah, that's magical. See, I only got them 2. I don't know if I'm gonna get the rest, but they're the 2 main piece from that movie. So Bale asked Ledger to, well, they're both, they love their acting, so they're more on, at the back here. Okay, method acting. So there you go. One scene there, Bale asked, oh no, Ledger asked Bale to hit him very hard. So anyway, that's and they love working with each other. Of course, rest in peace to the late Heath Ledger there. Anyway, yeah, we got 1 and 2, but that's all that's needed. We're gonna pull out something there. I hope the rest of the background's not covered, but yeah, just Google the name and you'll see his legacy. Anyway, now on to this fella here. The back shot is a red sun, obviously, so it's a Superman red sun. Watch the animation, that's all I'm gonna tell you. Watch the animation, and you can hit up the comments there why it's actually one of the best, or arguably the best from the animation series. It's a standalone film, so, well, standalone animation, but it's so well. There's a lot of like comic book enthusiasts that love the comic book series of this Red Sun series, and arguably the animation itself is right beside it. So whatever the comic enthusiast or the expert says about the comic book, it's bang on. It's basically I loved it. I gotta have it. So thank you, Amazon gave me this one. And Red Sun, again, watch it, then thank me later. Okay, I have to fix this one. It won't hang properly. Anyway, we got the Porsche shell. So this is one of their winning not F1, but it's 962. It's one of their winningest series. So I think this is the commemorative, or one of their special lines that they have on their museum, the 962. All right, that's on the side there. That's a Hot Wheels Premium, by the way. So I think this retails around $23. So that's that. We got now, as you can see there, that's the Flash logo. That's the one with Ezra Miller. Everybody hates it. I don't know why. I love it, but to each his own. And that's the glitter type or diamond collection. The Hot Topic. There's 2 stickers, meaning there's very good value. If you can see, he's shining. Oh yeah, that's the Keaton one, 89 verse. So there's the list there. He's glittery. It's from Hot Topic. So thank you, Hot Topic. There's the side shot, bottom shot. And the Flash series. So again, this is the Ezra Miller movie, and we love it. We don't care what everyone says, but this is one for the books. They said this nostalgia trip, not on my book. So we got one there, and so again, that's the Ezra Miller one. There's a smaller version. We just need to have like the pop version again. So Hot Topic, thank you for this one. This is the Pocket Pop keychain. this guy won't be hitting the keychain because it'll get stolen, or somebody will actually just grab it from your bag or anywhere you're gonna put it. So this is why this guy's gonna be boxed. And look at what we have here. Somewhere in the way. Now this is the Batman. So I collect every Batmobile series, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the. They didn't call it Batmobile or Pattinson Batman. It's just the Batmobile. No, it's not even. They call it Batmobile, but they never called it Batmobile on the movie. It's just a muscle car tuned in that he led the chase scene with Penguin or Oswald Cobblepot or slash Colin Farrell. So yeah, that's Pattinson Batman, and yeah, this is the must collection for Batman. That's the Batman logo, back shot, top shot, and we have that one on the front. So as you can see, we're flooded with DC stuff here. And of course, we are not forgetting this guy. This guy is the upcoming MVP of 2023-2024 season. Lakers will win it all the way. I mean, I'm gonna get criticized if they don't for the 23-24 season, but I don't care. They're prime to actually win it all, and this guy can actually bring them through the finals once again and get another chip. Of course, health-wise, we just want him to be healthy, but he's gonna bring the Lakers, and the LeBron era with the Lakers will be finished soon. But I got him. This is Anthony Davis, AD. We got the back shot, so got the special Lakers CD edition. I think this is 22-23 season. We got Westbrook there with him, but yeah, we all know what happened to him. But anyway, AD, Anthony Davis, bang! With that said, bang on to our audience. We're gonna wrap it up, and hopefully, yeah, you enjoyed the said unboxing, unwrapping, and yeah, well, hope for you. Red Sun, watch this guy, watch that move, watch that animation. I couldn't stress it more. Enjoy the rest of your year, and we wish you good health, and keep on subscribing. It's free, and yeah, tell your friends about this. I mean, kids love it. We're not opening though, so that stays there. There's a lot of open products there already, so we don't need to do that part. But yeah, till our next adventure, folks. Pinoy Hour. Peace out.